Portugal is one of the leaders in the driver project, and as you know, driver wanted to create an infrastructure of repositories to support e-research in Europe. But starting as a quite small project, at the beginning there were several countries in Europe, not all countries in Europe, like for instance Spain was not there as partner, but along the way, through the years, driver has started to grow and to reach other people, other projects, like for instance Recolecta, which is our national portal, open access portal in Spain. We are not partners, but we have been finally involved in Driver 2 as a Confederate partner, and like us, the same thing happened with other countries, not only in Europe, but also in the whole world. The Japanese were very interested. They called drivers from Latin America, from South Africa, from China. Everybody was very interested in participating, on knowing, on asking help from driver. Really, driver has ended up as a very big project. So big that you see here from this world I put in the picture, is like spreading to the whole world to create what only makes sense in the global world we live, and that Carlos has explained very well. E-research is a global endeavor. Same thing that only is going to be, as I said, lightweight. That means we are not anymore an organization that is funded by the Commission or by anybody. It's going to be an association funded by the members. So we have to be a little lighter in our project, although we will see, because we are in infancy, we are still working on this kind of financial sustainability. But what we are going to have, of course, and that has been discussed lately, very lately, is that we might not keep core as a service. I mean, like in driver, it was important to search all the information, but we want to create or to maintain infrastructure as a data store where all these data of our repositories are managed in a way that they are available for these wonderful, Carlos told us about machines that are going to process and do amazing things with this data to create services. So we are going to be the invisible backend of data, and this is the data layer that Carlos also was talking about in this e-infrastructure for the research. So COA09 is an international association, and we want the progress, provision, visibility, and application of the research outputs, linking all these initiatives, all these countries that are creating. In Portugal, you have your own network, in Spain, in Europe, in the world. So COA wants to link all these different confederation of repositories to create this global data layer, because the infrastructure that we are implementing and developing in Europe is being done at the same time in the USA, in Japan, in Australia, and they all are developing their data layers. So eventually we will have, so very few time ago, and those are the people that were funding members. So you see Wally? So this is the organization, mostly from Europe, of course, because this emerges from drivers. So we are now majority. We already have 5 international members. You see Japan, very active Japan. China is not there, also has been in China, came a week ago, and China is going to sure be a member of COA, Canada, USA, SPARC, and we have received many expressions of interest to become a member of COA. There is a 2 membership, 2 member of define. For sure there is a membership, full membership, and then affiliation. If you are a full membership, then you have vote, and you have voice, and you go to the General Assembly, and you can influence the development of core. You might be affiliate membership, you can hear, but you cannot vote. But this is still a little